Hey, welcome to or welcome back to Auntie's Cakery. Today I'm going to be working on a style of buttercream cake that I've never done before. One of my husband's good friends is getting married this weekend and I have the opportunity to make the cake for them. So what I have planned is the bottom tier is going to have that rustic horizontal buttercream, and the middle tier is going to have less icing but still a little bit of texture. And the top cake is going to be semi-naked. Most all the icing is going to be wiped off. I'm not sure exactly how it's going to turn out, but I'm going to take you along with me. Here we go. The bottom tier is a 10-inch round circle. I'll use a little buttercream just to stick it onto the cake plate. This is just a classic vanilla cake. Make sure it's centered correctly. And then with some thick buttercream icing, I will pipe a border. This will hold that scrumptious blackberry filling. Smooth it out with my spatula. And I'll continue to stack. Adding a little icing on top to complete the crumb coat. I've let it chill in the fridge for about 15 minutes and now I'm putting a final coat of buttercream onto it. I like to even the sides out and square it up before I put the texture on. I'm using my larger spatula just to create some horizontal lines in the buttercream. That blob off of there. And I'll put support dowels or straws into the bottom tier to support the top two cakes. And I'll just use a small piece of straw to push them all the rest of the way down in. Alright, that first tier is done and now I'm on to the second tier. I've already filled and stacked and crumb coat. Now I'm going to put a thin layer of icing on and texture it a little bit. I'll scrape a little icing off here, a little more here, and most of it up here. Clean it up just a bit. Also scraping a bit off the top. Now that I've got all three tiers iced, time to stack. Now I will clean up these gaps with a little more buttercream. Just squeeze it right in there, then use my spatula to smooth it out. I'll do that on all three layers.
It
turned out okay. I think I like this design. Now I'm going to stick it in the fridge. Tomorrow I will pack it up, deliver it, and put on some flowers. Okay, change of plans. Now the cake is delivered to the venue and no flowers. So we are going to put fruit on instead. We have some delicious strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries. It should go so well with that beautiful blackberry filling. So recently I teamed up with a company called Scale About. It's a platform where you can go on and you can ask me a question, and then I will come on a video just like this and answer you directly and personally. Go to scaleabout.com. I am going to leave a link down in the description box and ask me your questions. I would love to hear from you. Bye.